consider that Mr. Modi is listening to us. Consider. Mr. Prime Minister Modi is listening to us. Okay. Would like to give any message, any recommendation or any suggestion related anything related to education or related transportation? It could be anything. Would like to give.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hmm.
I want to give him a related education that if teachers are taking that much money, then they should teach properly. They should teach properly, and if students are not learning, then they should not beat them so brutally. And I can think that if there is a subject of English, so they should also teach that. They should not leave that. They should not just explain the lesson and go. They should teach that subject properly. So that is my message to PM Modi.
So you are telling particularly English subject, or you are telling the all subject?
All subject. Like only English is there because we can't talk in maths, we can't talk in science, we can only talk in English for these all subjects also. So I am taking English subject.
Okay. So can you please elaborate? Can you please give me more detail? What exactly you are you would like to convey your message to Mr. Modi? That what exactly is happening related to the English?
Nowadays, so many children, so they don't know English and they want to learn English, but they can't learn English. And they go to school, but in English medium also, teachers just explain, listen and go and take so much money. If they are taking money, then they should teach also, and they should also teach spoken English. So the student will be sharp in studying.
Okay, specifically in English language. Am I right? Yeah, but
because Hindi we know, Hindi we all know how to speak in Hindi.
Yeah.
And English we want to learn, and which state we are living that language.